Hello everyone! So what I'm going to be showing you today are these things, and they're not snails or shells, they're called Spiraldexes. I have posted a few of these on my blog because I've used them throughout last year to kind of manage my time. And I get a lot of questions asking if I could do a video about them or explain them, and I think a video is just the best way to do it, so I'm going to do that, obviously. What they're for is they're used to visualize your time so you can really plan out what you're doing, minute by minute during the day. Usually I just use something like this. This is just what I made with pictures off Google, not gonna lie. I've put this printable on my blog so you can go on there and print that out. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using a giant one, just so you guys can see. So for this, you're gonna need fine liners, and you're also gonna need highlighters. You're gonna need a ruler and a black pen. This one's a calligraphy pen, but you don't have to use that if you don't want to. Before I start drawing on it, I'm just going to explain quickly. You use it kind of like an analog clock. So this is 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock. Don't have to write in all of the numbers because sometimes it can end up looking a little bit cluttered, but for the sake of the video I'm just going to do it so nobody gets confused. 1 AM, 2 AM, 3 AM. So I've done mine in mostly 24-hour time, but you can do it in 12-hour time if you want. It just depends, as long as you remember that this is midnight on the first day, noon, and then midnight at the end of the day. You can either do a legend on the side or just write them in. For this one I'm just going to write them in because that's what I usually do. So the first thing I recommend doing is mapping in what time you wake up and what time you go to sleep. So for this I'm going to say that the person, or me apparently, is waking up at 7:30. So what I do is, it's got little marks, so this 15, 30, 45, so 7:30. And I'm just going to do the same for their night starting sleep cycle. I'm going to say that they go to bed at 9:30 because I'm an optimist. The second thing you should do after your sleep cycle is map in eating breaks. So you want to do your breakfast, your lunch, probably an afternoon tea and a dinner. Now that we've put in our sleep and our lunch times, we're going to put in the stuff that we can't miss. So you put in stuff like appointments, you put in class. Now we can see that we have, here, we have here, and we have here for doing most activities. I'm just going to put these two little ones in as free time. I mean, that could be exercise if you want. Now that we've done that, we have these spaces left. You transfer your bullet journal or your to-do list into here to kind of map out when you're going to do each thing.